Okay, we are back, everybody, and I forgot to get rid of all that shit right there. Never mind. Okay. Uh. Yay, Cloud! Veronica! Veronica! You are named Veronica. Okay, what did I get? I got one of the light switches.
That was a nice little cat nap. How long was I out?
Great, another light switch that fucking will sexualize me. Because we all know this light switch is gonna fucking sexualize me. A light switch that fuck. A light switch that turns me on. I must be dreaming.
Oh, you. I bet you say that to all the light switches.
Only the sexy ones.
Now I know you're flirting with me. And it's working. Why don't you take this to remember me by?
Hmm. I saw another light switch in the other room. Do you control that one too?
Oh, her. Trust me, sweetie, you're better off not thinking about that frigid little ice queen.
Well, at least she's better than the better than the scientist that's downstairs that fucking calls me a teddy bear. Sounds like there's some blad, bad blood between you, or circuits.
That bitch. She thinks she's so much better than everybody just because her processors are bigger. Ooh, she makes me so mad.
Okay then, forget I said anything.
Sure thing, sweetie.
Are you some kind of novelty talking light switch?
I was Dr. Mobius's personal assistant. We were studying, oh shoot, what was it? Oh yeah, lightning. No, wait, lighting. That's right, how lighting affects human interaction.
And what did you find out?
Oh, it was super exciting. It turns out that some pretty colored
Faucets.
lights can make you way better at talking to people.
Oh, so essentially, this light switch is about charisma. That light switch is probably about intelligence. Maybe. Can you turn these lights on for me?
Oh, I'd love to, sweetie, but I don't have the programming. All the data from the experiments was lost. You'd have to go out into that nasty old crater and find the backup copy.
Okay, I have to go. So, I'm pretty sure I have the sink and the seed thing, which are over there.
Who's ready for a party?
Yeah. So I'm missing the jukebox, muggy, angry toaster, and light switch number 1.
You require some addition.
Hmm. So this allows you to revert the traits. I'm gonna have to take a look at the Wild Wasteland again, because I'm gonna see what's what, and because I want to get the fucking holy frag grenades, and then take this to revert my fucking Wild Wasteland so I can see if I can get the unique Gauss rifle. I might record a little thing to see if it works. If not, my suggestion would be to fucking not take Wild Wasteland, to get the Gauss rifle and then come back here to take Wild Wasteland, because I've done it before where I've gotten the Gauss rifle and then come here to fucking revert to activate fucking Wild Wasteland and then go get the fucking alien blaster. But if we don't get the fucking unique Gauss rifle, it's no fucking big deal to me, in all honesty. The fucking hollow rifle is murder. So yeah. So this, I'm not gonna fucking go over this shit right now. Stop following me around like a puppy,
You're making
Veronica.
me carry the heavy.
Oh shit! The fancy lad snack kicks. Nice. Let's make whatever we can. It's a lot of duct tape. Probably should have organized shit, but I didn't. Fuck. Okay. Right. Rock flower. Rock flowers and root. We'll make all these into stim packs. $28 stim packs. Beautiful.
Says the Kutra. Might I be of service?
I will take all of those, thank you. What else do you have?
More are precisely where Sir has left them, and should the test to say otherwise.
This is where my ammo is, right? Okay, we'll just drop those off. Drop one of the proton axes off. I do think I should go and... Ooh. 300. So that would be 6 magazines. Coin shot. Nice. Fuck. Okay, 45. I need lead. Just lead? Lead and large pistol. Okay. What is a large pistol? Magnum. Perfect. I didn't have enough lead, did I? I'm gonna go grab more 44 ammo because we do have the trail carbine with us, right? Okay. Fuck sleepy time. Sleepy time is garbage. We'll keep the plasma caster with us just in case. Fucking, we need this, but fucking bit faster. Damn it! God damn it! Jesus Christ! We make a shit ton of bloatfly sliders. I just realized that. We'll take all the doctor bags and more pure water. Never have too many pencils. Okay. 44 ammo. Right, it's in an ammo box. I'm dumb. Let's take all of that because we'll need it. Okay. Lead, right? Lead's the only thing that weighs in ammo production? Yeah. I don't use flamer fuel. Kinda feel like I should, Okay, so I need more of those rounds. I can get rid of those. Get rid of those. Oh, fuck the hollow points. Do the same thing with that, because, you know, they're rifles. We don't use them as much. Okay. Just checking to make sure everything has ammo. We are going to grab some electro cartridges. Just throw that in there. Okay. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I fucking sent you to the wrong thing. Okay. Weapon repair kits. Yeah, nice. Nice. Aw. 170 pounds is actually pretty good for the amount of gear we have. Because, like, 1, 2, 3. I'd classify that as 4, 5. 5 weapons that range around 5 pounds, and then 4 weapons that range around 8 pounds. Plus ammo. Plus all our med supplies. That's pretty fucking good. Like fucking the microfusion cells are what fucking eating me. Okay. I just want to do a test shot. Okay. Okay. This should be pretty fucking powerful. Okay, we're gonna go to Heg's Village, deal a fucking stripe, and then I guess we'll go to the X2. Ulysses Point. Oh shit. I spent 12 minutes doing pretty much absolutely nothing. Shit I could have been doing, you know, I could have done earlier before I started recording. But I didn't. Don't look at me like that, Veronica. Let's go deal with the mini fucking Deathclaw and loot everything in here. And then we'll call it a video. Oh right. Wait, I'm interested to find out micro regeneration. I'm interested to find out if because I don't know if the implant counts towards that perk. We'll find out later. Okay. Fucking stripe. So this is one of the references that I do know. This is a reference to the fucking gremlin. I just fucking realized I have Veronica with me. She's gonna get her ass kicked. Let's find out. Yeah, she is. Yeah. Okay. Let's go in here. Veronica? Sit. I'm gonna go deal with something. Hey. Haha, bitch. Haha. Haha, you don't like water. How you like them apples, bitch? Okay. Put that up. Yeah, I think whenever we go back to the Mojave, we're not gonna start Old World, or not Old World Blues, fucking Lonesome Road. We're gonna fucking pork Gabe. Chicken leg. Take Gabe's bowl. Cause I'm pretty sure we can give it to fucking. Oh, hey. Yeah, in all honesty, I don't think we're gonna finish this today because I'm gonna go till a certain point, or not. I'll go till a certain time. It's currently almost 8. I'll go till like 12 because we want to do everything, and we know that sometimes if we like if we don't fucking do everything, we'll fucking lose some shit, you know. There may be an entire part where we just fucking talk to the dudes again before we head to the Forbidden Zone. Would you like some cheese with that wine? Mm-hmm. I belong in here. 'Cause I'm a giant tool. None of you fucking repeat that. Oh, right. I'm rescuing you guys. So we could we are rescuing the teddy bears. So we can make skill books. We can make skill books out of the. Oh shit! I forgot about the book chute. Yeah. We can make books from the fucking book chute. Somehow, some way. Unless we need the fucking perk for that. If we need the perk for that, I'm not fucking doing that. I'm not wasting a perk point to get a handful of skill points. I'm back, bitch.
Oh.
Good, because if I would have wasted a stim pack, I would have been pissed right off. Yeah, you can kind of see whose house this is just by walking in here. The jukebox. Yeah, so now we're probably going to be able to use the thing. You know what I'm talking about. Keep in mind, we're going to have to fucking come back here and well, we'll do that in our off time where we come back here and we fucking loot all this shit, because all the things at the sink, they each have their own thing where they could fucking disassemble stuff. Not all of them, but some of them. Like Muggy, you fucking give him plates, mugs, and any other kitchen shit, and he'll give you stuff. The toaster fucking murders toasters. So yeah. What's my lockpick skill at? I can't even get that open. Great. Grand. Fan-fucking-tastic. Okay. Halfway done. Halfway done. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, Squidward in a chair. Toaster. Yeah, this is Morbius's house. As you can tell. I think he has an addiction. 2 more. I'll take those vision batteries off your hands. Ooh, scalpel. I keep forgetting that there's shit that I can get that's kind of helpful for fucking doctor's bags and crap. Ooh. Beer. Beer is terrible. Get the good stuff underneath. Yeah. Yeah. A vacuum. 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 This is probably Dr. Klein's place. The book chute. See? Yeah, Dr. Klein. I got his glove. I got his masturbating glove. He was a cross-dresser. I got his scrubs too. Hi, Veronica. Do I look cool now? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Someone kidnapped a robot. Yeah. I should have left those in there. That would have made a nice thumbnail. Yeah. Okay. I think we're done here. I think the only time I'm ever gonna have to come back here is to clean up the houses to fucking get stuff to make other things and shit once we have the sink fully operational. Yeah. Oh, right, and there's that fucking basement. The sex dungeon. I'll probably make like a little clip of what's in the sex dungeon.